Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. One look at a catfish and you might wonder why anyone would ever eat it. But fried catfish is another story. Breaded, seasoned, and fried. This fried catfish recipe will have you coming back for another piece. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So first we need some buttermilk for our marination. I am making my own at home. So what you just need to do, just add some white vinegar and then pour the room temperature milk on top of it. Let stand for 5 minutes and then stir, and your buttermilk is ready for your recipe. For the marination, just arrange your fish fillet in a single layer. I accidentally used the wrong dish. Just use a 9 by 13-inch dish. That would be perfect. Then pour the buttermilk on top of your fish, cover and let it set on the side for at least 2 to 4 hours or preferably overnight. Now when you're ready to fry your fish, just take a shallow dish, add some maida flour, cornmeal, season it with some salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, and garlic powder. Just mix all those ingredients until fully combined. Now take your fish out from the fridge and take the fish pieces out from the buttermilk and discard the buttermilk. Now pick up each piece and dredge it into a cornmeal mixture. Make sure you're covering all the sides. And shake off the excess cornmeal mixture. And now the fish is ready to fry. For authentic southern style fried fish, they use peanut oil. I am using regular vegetable oil. Temperature should be in 360 degrees. Just fry from both sides, and each side take like 2 minutes. And then take it out on a piece of paper towel to absorb some excess oil. Fried catfish is an icon of southern cooking. For many, there simply isn't any other way to prepare it. Classic southern fried catfish dipped in buttermilk and breaded in spicy seasoned cornmeal, fried to perfection. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.